The fear of starting over and why it might be the best thing you ever do. I thought my age would hold me back, but I was wrong. I thought I was too old to start over again. Then I realized I really didn't have any other choice. I spent years following all the rules. I worked, I saved, took care of everyone else except myself. But when everything fell apart, my job, my income, my health, I realized no one was ever coming to rescue me. Starting over in your 60s or 70s feels terrifying. But you know what's worse? Feeling stuck every single day and doing nothing about it. You are not too late and you are not too old. And you're not alone. There are millions suffering daily from exactly the same thing, too. The digital world isn't just for Generation Z. It's for the rest of us, those who need freedom, not just flashy apps. 42 million people over 50 are now turning to online side incomes. Most say it's not for luxury, it's for survival. Look at the cost of living, inflation, what's going on all around us. The number one regret most retirees have: I waited too long to make a change. Don't become the victim. You can change your story. It's up to you. Comment change if you've ever felt like time was running out, only to realize you still have more to give. Stay tuned for part 2 is coming. The shift that gave me my life back. And you really don't want to miss that one.